one of the Border Protections agents grabs the gun and is taking it away, and unfortunately, the gun accidentally goes off. The gun that he was carrying is called a SIG P320, and it's notorious for accidental discharges. So this is confusing because it's hard to tell because the video is a little grainy, but most people who are experts look at it, say that at least videos that I've watched, say that gun accidentally went off without the guy touching the trigger.
But also,
so the cop has the gun. The cop's moving away with the gun. They say he has a gun.
Cop or the ICE people?
The cops say it's Border Protections. Yeah. It's not even ICE. It's a different organization. So the Border Protections guys are moving away with the gun. The gun goes off, and these guys think the guy has another gun, and then they start shooting him. And they shoot him and kill him while they have him down.
It's a rough video.
This is all my interpretation based on videos. I might not be accurate, but I've seen the video.